So just to recap the first video, we bleached all the bundles in the closure, and I made sure that my consistency was very creamy and easy to apply, which made it go through the strands very well. I rinsed off the bleach and I went into watercoloring with my 3 colors that gave me my pinky wine color, and now we are here to just style and apply. So this is what the color came out as once it's dry. Remember, when your hair is wet, it looks darker than what it's going to be. Alright, so we're just going to straighten it and apply her. So I'm in love with this color. Like, I just decided, like, you know, red wine colors, like the 99J colors, I don't like them on me like that. But this one suited my skin tone, and I think I want to do this color again, but with roots or maybe like a balayage effect. And just have, like, you know, a lot of baby hairs, just bomb and cute. But yeah, so I really want to redo this and just have the tips that color. I think it would look cute. Would you wear this hair color? I think she's bomb. And like the fact that she has a pink undertone and you can literally see the pink undertone, but she still gives you wine burgundy vibes is amazing. Like, it's still in the same family. So yes, I'm in love with this wig color. And I'm also in love with my flat iron. A lot of you guys ask me what flat iron I'm using a Nano flat iron. I will leave the Amazon link down below in the description box. If you want a flat iron that gets extremely hot and will silk press your wigs to the T and they will be flowy, then you need to get this, and I will leave all the information down in the description box. You just gotta look for it and it's in there. Okay, so I'm gonna just go through and flat iron all the hair, and when I get to the closure area, I am going to press out the roots of the closure, I guess, and to just make sure that it's laying super flat. And that is it. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply, and the application is super easy. Again, this hair is from Nadula. They did send me 4 bundles, but I only used 3 bundles in this wig and a closure. The longest length I have is a 28-inch. I'll leave all the specs down below. This hair bleached really good, and especially for me doing my little ghetto bleaching because I just want to get it done. But it bleached super well. It's not dry. It might look dry, but it's just frizzy because I blew dry it. But it's not dry. I don't have any breakage. I don't have any tangling. I didn't have a lot of shedding at all. Very minimum to none. And yeah, but just you got to make sure that you use your conditioning treatments every time you wash your hair, because this is a color treated wig, so you want to make sure that it stays healthy. All right, so that go Bay right there, and I'm gonna put her on. So I was deep conditioning my hair, and so you might see some little flakes. And yeah, that's what it is, just dried up gel and stuff like that, because I needed to figure out how was I going to lay my hair down so I could put on wigs and film a couple of videos, and that's the only way. And so around my hairline has got to be glue. And yeah, after this I'll wash my hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna just apply her, sit her where I want to. I think, like I said before, I think this color will look bomb with some roots. But if you bold enough to wear hair without roots, then hey girl. So I like no root hair color looks, but then sometimes I do like roots because I like my baby hairs. But then when it comes to colored hair, I don't typically like colored baby hairs. So yeah, I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses. You can order this from Amazon as well. I'm gonna leave the link down to this below. I'm in the shade 16 when I have makeup. I'm in the shade 15 when I don't have on makeup, and I'm lightly patting the color onto the lace. I'm not heavily saturating the lace with this color. I'm just tinting it a little bit, and I like doing it this way because if I use the wrong color and or if I get darker or lighter during the months, it's easy for me to wash out the makeup and apply a different color. So I like using makeup instead of actual lace tint now, and I used to be a big lace tint person. So as you can see, I'm cutting off the seams on my closure. And when I tell you guys, when I make my closures, I tell you guys to pull your closures up like an inch, a half an inch, or a full inch up above your hairline. That's because you want to cut off the seams, and you don't want that black part of your cap to sit right directly on your hairline. You want your closure to be a little bit forward, so it can give you a seamless look, just in case if you wanted to do baby hairs. But again, I'm not going to do baby hairs, and I'm going to just cut off the lace in a zigzag motion, and that is it. She's a glueless unit. You just want to adjust her to where you want to sit her, and she's good to go. If you do want to use something to like adhere your lace down to your, you know, your hair, your head, just to make sure that you're just secure, you can use some got to be glue, or you can just use bobby pins. Like, it'll be fine. And that is this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will be there answering all you guys' questions and loving and thumbing up your questions and your comments. Alright, this is from Nadula, and she's amazing. Like, can you see that pinky undertone? Like, yes. Bye, you guys.